talking about how I'm going to run this throttle cable, and just me flapping my gums was 14 minutes. I can't do that to you. So, real quick, I'm wanting to do this throttle cable through here, through the firewall here. I've got my own little bracket that I kept off of a TV stand, and that'll go in this area. And I've made this set up for my throttle pedal, and I'm going to mount that underneath. And then I'm going to bring you along in the steps, and hopefully this video is 15 minutes long, and that's it. All right, you can see where I made a hole to get that cable to come through. So let's get on top and we'll take a look-see there. You can see where I went through the firewall there. And that's about the distance that it's gone to slope, which I don't feel there'll be too much of any drag. And then the TV stand bracket, it was a wall mount stand. Kind of not much of a thick bracket, so I kissed it over a little bit so I could get that bolt on there. It was pretty nice the way that worked out. I was thinking I might reshape this, not really sure, but I might leave that. Doesn't really harm it any in the looks department. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to do some troubleshooting like I thought possibly I'd have to. And it looks like I'm going to have to cut that top off and reverse it 180 degrees. So it will be in this direction. The pedal will stay in the same area, but I'm going to have to flip that around and re-weld it to the top of that block. Okay. Well, let's leave it here for today, and we'll get on it again next weekend. So thanks for watching, fellas, and we'll see you soon.